Alright, hey everyone. So what we're going to do today is we're going to find the slope from a graph. I know that I can use the letter M to represent my slope, so I'm going to put M equals. Also, I know that my slope is going to be positive because as you can see, it's going up in a positive direction. It's going upward, so I know I have a positive slope. Now I'm going to select two random points. So I picked a point here and a point here. I can pick any 2 points, it really doesn't matter. And they're not always going to give you the points, sometimes you need to find them yourself. Now I'm going to look for my rise over my run, or the change in my y-axis over the change in my x-axis. So how many do I rise? Well, I rise up 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I went up 3, so I'm going to put up plus 3 because I want a positive 3. Then I'm always going to go to the right, and as you can see, I went to the right 1, 2. So I rose up 3, a positive 3, and I ran over 2, giving me a slope of positive 3/2. So that's my answer. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to find the slope again of a graph. And look, this time again, they gave you the dots. I'm going to choose any 2 dots I want. I'm going to choose these 2, but again, it does not matter. And I notice that my slope this time is negative. And I know that because look, it's going downward. So it's going to have a negative slope. I'm going to keep that in mind as I'm finding my slope here. Again, I'm going to look for the rise over the run, or the change in my y-axis over the change in my x-axis. And here's the symbol for that, change in y over change in x. And I'm going to count. Now this time, since the negative slope, I know I'm going to be going downward. So look, I went down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I went down 5. Since I went down, I know it's a negative 5. Okay, everyone see I put a negative 5 because I went downward there. Now I went to the right 1, that's a positive 1. Well, negative 5 over 1 is negative 5. So my slope, or my M, is negative 5. Easy as that. Come and see me if you need help.